I'm gonna need some help occasionally. I appreciate the help.
Okay.
Thank you.
We will help you.
Thank you.
I will help you.
So first up is Sophia.
Yeah. There goes Stephanie in E7.
Actually, that's my new route now.
Oh,
Yeah.
your new route is E7?
It's Route 7,
Oh, yeah.
what Stephanie does.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got fully licensed.
Oh, this is E36, which is, I call it frickin' E36 for a reason. One, it breaks down a lot. Two, it misbehaves on mode. And three, E36 needs Allison transmission help.
So hopefully it'll be nice to us today.
Yeah. Like, we don't even like E36 for a reason.
Yeah.
Plus, I just like E38.
Like E38? Is that Bose bus?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It runs just like old 41, but different. Oh, that song gets on my nerves these days. Question, are you going to drive us on Wednesday?
Wednesday? No.
Or Jason?
Is Mo not going to be here on Wednesday?
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Oh, then I don't know. I might be driving you. I'm not sure. It'll either be Jason or I.
Or Steve.
Or Steve. Yes.
Like, I need to call Jason the troublemaker.
Oh my gosh.
Because one time Jason drove E36, E41, E40, and Sal has his own route, which is I had him once.
Yeah, Sal's a great guy too.
He's silly occasionally. I hope my video is not gonna get a copyright. Because I got one community guideline strike on my YouTube a few weeks ago. Question, do you saw a first student bus lately?
Yeah.
I guess 152, 187, and I guess 187. You saw it out the gym, right?
Oh. Have you ever been first student?
Yep, I went on first student last year, but it's a few years back.
Yeah.
I like the drivers were like quiet. One
Yeah.
name was Jackson, one name was Duke. And was I think I had Cindy on a field trip once.
So A Street. Oh, did I do that? I went the wrong direction, didn't I?
Yeah. Whoa, that's a dent. I can barely hear the blinker
Huh?
on 36. I can barely hear it.
Okay, now we're back on track. Taking a right on A Street.
You go one more up.
Yeah. Oh, I remember now.
Oh, first student,
Is it this one?
142, 565, maybe. I think that's 565.
The greenhouse.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, Sophia.
Bye, Hope. Have a good weekend.
Bye.
So now we're doing Whitney?
Yeah.
This way.
This way, he says. Roger.
Oh, you. Well, he meant turn right.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not doing good today.
That's alright, you're still learning.
We're just gonna make a big circle, okay?
Okay.
Mom makes big circles.
Yeah.
Bless
Bless
you.
you. Yep.
That's not the way to Quentin's house. That's the way to
Are we
Sophia.
going this way?
Yeah.
That way.
Alright.
Left.
Thank you.
Yeah, left.
Bless you.
Make a 100-degree blinker turn and go straight.
And going straight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. To 6th Street. Then I'm gonna take a right on 6th Street.
Yeah.
I'm on 6th.
You just keep going straight down
Okay.
to the next stop sign.
Gotcha.
Sure.
See, it's telling me to go left on this one and then right on. But we'll go with the next one.
Yeah, next stop sign.
Next stop sign.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you're gonna take a left.
Alrighty.
Wow, get.